birthday month as well of December. So how many birthday rockers are celebrating birthday for December? Show of hands, please. Show of hands. Show of hands over here. There you go. I see you right there. Mrs. Sugar as well. That's right. All right, so we know what we got to do. But we're going to twist it up a little bit. And so Email and Apps decided they'd put a little rap for birthday. Are you ready?
DJ, kick it! Yo, it's your birthday. What? Birthday. What? Birthday. What? We wrote a little rap for your birthday. What? Another year older, another year wiser. Get that jungle dance, make them put your memories on fire! The meeting of the text say, what? You didn't get it? We sent it through exchange, so we're pretty sure we said it. Hope you have a good day. Your birthday's full of laughs. We're really glad you're here. Email and
Well done. Let's hear it for Email and Apps. Awesome. All right, so we're going to also sing Happy Birthday. Welcome to the tradition as well. So ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.